you're looking so pretty. Ma'am, how do you feel coming to this event?
Well, once again, I feel very young to be among this young and beautiful, energetic people. So thank you so much for inviting me to all the organizers.
Ma'am, Chilling is social media ti Ramnugo that you're a very bubbly, cheerful person. But Ani, Kaisha question tango, how do you keep yourself happy in your hardest times? Of course, everybody has their good and bad days in their lives. So what's your secret behind being so happy and cheerful every day?
Well, one thing we all cannot ignore or avoid is everyone has good times and bad times. But yeah, through my good times, I'm happy naturally. But in my bad times, I always focus on one thing, that is staying positive. Because we all know, if there is darkness, there will be a sunrise soon. So even in my darkest time, I always believe there will be a good time someday. So that way I keep myself positive and try to stay happy. Done, okay?